So I'm trying to break this egg. This is raw egg, but I don't know what is going on. Like, can you guys see? I'm trying to make pancake, but a whole lot is going on with this egg. It doesn't want to be cracked. So I want a pancake. I don't even know what I'm doing. I succeeded in burning the pancake. It won't reach. So it won't sacrifice. Essentially it's good anyway. Let's enjoy. Mistake.
I'm not mistaken.
Why is it peeling off?
But yeah, I'm not one.
Yeah, style. I'm not style. Yeah,
The one I did like.
it's very bad, man.
Yes, it's bad.
When you're not back in the museum,
It's very there now. It's outside the country because. See? Coffee.
I am ready to hang on this line.
Oh, let me see this one. This is what I ordered. Not that other one. Even the circle is not circling. Is it circling?
It's circling now. Who are you going to circle?
This is over.
Because your eye is over.
You are very silly. Get out. Even Panami here because.
No, me change the content.
Oh, Mama, happy. Okay. This is not a dog. You can a dog on your back. Down your back. She just never.
Hey, go. You got my
Okay, go,
chocolate.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm back at the Nayad. She has not given me money.
See, I
I
just
don't
don't
know
want
what
to
I'm about my year.
I don't know really.
But she said like it was
because me,
I don't know for how.
You
Oh,
don't
you
know.
want to see how you use the weed.
Leave that stuff.
Oh, was the weed 1 year away?
The Panamanian Defense Forces. It is reported that when Casey arrived in Panama City that year and was met at the airport by the local CIA chief, he asked, "Where's my boy?"
Where is she going now?
Singer. See her. Alumni. Hey God, it's been so long. I think the last time I came here was in 2020. After my clearance, I never came back. What would I come here to? Some people call it I never. Before they used to do it after 4 years.
The next year after.
But I think it was that 2019 that 2020 that it started immediately after the graduation.
No, these things are doing that to be affecting guys really.
So my own is, how will you read in an open space
Like people are
It will be distracting you. Yeah.
But people used to bully them. Nobody.
at night?
In the evening.
I wonder what they are doing.
People used to come here and sleep. They used to come and deceive themselves.
No, they used to deceive those at home. They will now be like, I'm going for night class, I will not be back. Come here. And
Better for me to be sleeping on my bed. Or
I've never done that. Okay, highest I could
I
do.
go for night class and all those.
Once, highest I could do in that holy family, I would just go to the library. Like, we have a small room and it used to be cold and you get. Because I don't want anybody to come and lock in my room and start disturbing me. That's the only reason. But I prefer to read in the comfort of my room. Judith, go and join them.
I want to go. Let's go now. Let's go and say hi to them.
See your mouth like hi.
Let's go and say hi.
That's why I like Judith praying, because she will first of all give us Aboma like it used to melt my soul. Like the first time I heard her like sing, oh Jesus, my soul left my
my
body.
Oh my Jesus. Oh, thank you, darling. Come, let's go and tell them what to do. Let's go and tell them what to do. Let's
I see.
What? Yes, I have concern. It's not these people behind you pretending to be reading, they're looking at us, wondering what's maybe I have to do class, not be nice class.
When I finish the video, do voiceover if I'm telling you.
No, I'm not doing voiceover. This one, like, is actually recording the sound. So there's no voiceover. Some people, they prefer, like, when they are vlogging, they'll be explaining. But I'm not comfortable with that. So I prefer, like, I'll just be typing it and if you see my vlog, that's how it is. I'll just tell them the location. But me, I prefer watching vlogs than display. Alright, okay, so today we came for an event to get that kind of thing. But I don't like doing it.
Yeah, no, let me this.
You want to start something? I press record, you did not record. Oh my god. Alright.
Hi guys.
Hi.
So today I'm taking over Jenny's vlog, right? And I'm here with my team members from Crystal Garden Estate.
Crystal Garden. The best.
It's Crystal Garden or Crystal Garden.
Yes.
You get. So today we are here as one of the sponsors of the Home of Miles, and it's an amazing program talking about mutilations and mental ill health, right? So and it's been a while we came here.
Yes, our alma mater. Now you.
So let's show you around. Yeah. Okay, so these are people rehearsing against tomorrow's service, and these are beautiful. If you move closer down that area, you're going to see artworks there, and they're amazing, beautiful ones. Yeah, that's theater art department. And here, students call here Garuba Square. You can see people reading here, some people doing their assignments, and so many other things. It's really an amazing one. This is the singer we have in Crystal Garden.
Oh my god!
She's already wanting to
I really want to go there
and sing with them.
display my talent there.
Come on now.
Please, can you join me?
Our
Let's go
talent.
there. Let's
And this is our social media manager. Always behind the camera. She will not agree to.
Exactly. Please, video I'm already
That's an amazing time.
my vlog, so my face is my vlog.
Yeah.
Video I'm very rich.
So you guys
They should give me
enjoy and stay updated. So you guys, we are still here at Home of Miles, and these are nurses and medical students taking records of their health and running tests on them. So as one of the sponsors, it was a great time. It's a great time seeing that they take care of people's health, that people's health, both mentally and their physical health, are in order, right? So, ciao.
No. It's just one, no? Yeah. But he now has so huge. Yes, it's the biggest I've ever seen. This is that thing that is in primary school that they used to call fruit now. That's it's almond. They said it's almond tree. This is the biggest I've ever seen. Can you see? That means this one is really old. You've seen some. You've seen one that is bigger than. Yeah. It's huge. It is though. Maybe I'm vlogging. Hey, Jesus, yeah. Okay guys, finally I was able to order from Temu. I finally ordered from Temu. This is a passport cover. I love the color so much. I actually made mistakes with my cards. I didn't add everything, so I had to get this one off the 300,000 naira coupon, whatever, and it's higher. The price is higher, but it's fine. So this is air freshener. You just have to put the air freshener tablet inside those cute purple stuff and tape it to your wall. It comes with double-sided tape, so you can stick it to your wall or wherever you want to keep them. So this is actually the main. This package took time. Like they even had to give me 1,600 naira for late delivery. So this is a cute watch. Is really small. It looks like all these ones that they used to buy for us when we were younger. It's small, but it's cute then, but it's small, really small. And it comes with a bangle, so a chain, golden chain bangle. So the next one is this set of makeup brush. I don't do makeup, but there's this particular brush that I want to start doing makeup, but there's also this particular brush that I use for my hair. So that's why I just ordered it. Then I also want to start doing makeup by myself, on myself. So that's why I got it. And another thing is it's in purple color, my favorite color, guys. So the next package I'm going to be unboxing here is this clip. Like it's just for hanging. It's not physically, it's like a hanger. You just place it to your wall. It has double-sided tape and you place anything there. And this is the nails. Oh my god, I love this nail. It's matte. It has this matte effect. And I love the brown aesthetic. And it came with this cute small file and some press-on glue. And I'm not going to be using press-on glue. I'll just use bag glue and fix it. Probably I'll make a video and put it up on my channel so you see how it turns out. The next one is this influencer light, LED lights, whatever. Guys, it doesn't work. I've tried to put battery in it, but it doesn't work. I'll still buy. I put a brand new battery there. It didn't work, so I'm going to try another brand of battery to know if it works. Honestly, I love it, but then it doesn't work. Then this is a small gift bag, but I had something like this, but it's a medium size. I thought it was going to be like that, but then this one is really small. It's very small, but I still like it though. Then this phone pouch for iPhone 14 Pro Max. I really love the color and the write-up. I love the material. It's not silicone. It kind of looks like jean material, but it's really strong. And I love it. Like this is one of my favorites buy. Like I love the pouch. I bought two actually. This is the second one for iPhone XR. This one is somehow silicone kind of pouch, and it's lovely too. It's really lovely. I love the brown color too. I didn't find the purple one, but probably maybe my next buy I'll buy a purple pouch. Then this is what the watch look like. Very small. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share to your friends. Bye.